First, hey Austin, what do you miss the most about Nana?
Mr. Kim.
Nana and Mr. Kim together?
Yep, marrying.
They're marrying? Okay, Landon, you tell me, what do you miss the most about Nana?
Playing the cars.
That's silly. Do you miss Nana Snuggles?
Yep.
And Lovies?
Yeah.
And tasty, tasty dinners?
Yes.
And Nana's house?
Yeah.
What about you, little one? Noel, what do you miss about Nana? Can you say Nana? Hey, you show Nana your eyes? Where's your eyes? Hey, Noel. Noel. Baby girl, where's your nose?
Where's your nosy nose?
Where's your nose?
Where's your buzzer?
Oh, there's your nose.
Yes, and there's your buzzer.
You say, you can't see, not yet. Can you say bye-bye? Nope, let me see you say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, and blow a kiss. Oh, you kiss the camera? Okay, kiss.